wakili Ivan Simirieri nigo amuganire omo MCA Ogachuba Onsinyo Obwaya okora emirimo yaye boikirano gwetera koleta magendero ase chinsemecho okwana akora se wadi eyo nigo aenekiribuna abana asense ya Kenya mbabonete kwenyola chisemi boikirano ase abolirie abarai akwenekiribuna nkoleta bali emiswada eyerabe kigokinya ebirengo bichisemi
ekaraba akachisabu abanyoranga chibese chikoewa omo MCA towards bursaries echikoewa omo bunge chibese chikoewa omo governor chikoewa mama county chiawe ministry yenyene echinde chiawe president igo chisa ini Kenya education yako wa free korubuno mwana ngego je school baka kaisa au university. So we should support that kind of a bill at the Parliament, Mama County. On this, we will hold you personally responsible. Because in Terera, Kishena, Mwana Kenya, Tadihotoka isiko, Natato with the band 1, Gato with the band 5, no make education free. Now, you make free is to have one education fund. Igona, Ekerebi Eraja before Parliament. Mama County, we expect you to show respect to education by support that fund, by support that bill. Arrangera turag nga kisa mi Kenya chia very affordable na andi chia gari mirwe na serikali. Na majuta wuri gente kemo yani yongira saba mama baada vile na ki omo MCA Ogachuba omo inyorie na atakeire akore bintu biri danyiri babo saba ande wotibono otayega let omo MCA me aki jetu tikori kikero watinje dia komorige kori kikero ga against him igabe comfortable una na yumo wata banga kana korekana aje momoro kiese moko beke bintu bino mune market aje smoko moro kia moko agaja ebintu bigo support